My name is Sean Kaufman. I'm out of Penrose, Colorado. We have a small boutique vineyard with a limited winery. We have been in business since we opened up our doors in July 8 of this year. We have been selling wine for the past 3 years. This is my first time purchasing a metal building. I had a little bit of skepticism in the beginning because I'm used to wood frame, but after looking at and researching different metal buildings, I realized this is the structure that I wanted to put up. After talking with Brandon Fullis out of Metal Building Outlet, he made me feel really relaxed about the structure that we're going to put in. I feel like the building itself really satisfied our needs. Brandon Fullis was super knowledgeable about putting the building together and catering to my needs.
The unique features around this building was that they needed a production space and a showcase space all under one roof.
Once you have a rep that is working with you to design, they're there from start to finish, which really helped ease things because I had one point of contact to go to if I had any issues, concerns, and that's what really drew me in. This building is a 50-foot by 100-foot, and at the apex of it, it's just over 13 feet, being a 12-to-1 pitch. All of our doors are ADA compliant for exterior and interior. The determining factor for a metal building out here in Penrose was pretty easy because we get these high winds and I didn't want a bunch of creakiness.
Sean was heavily involved in this building project, and a really important step for us was to make sure we lead him into the right codes and loads for his building.
And outside of hail and rain, it's a super quiet and nice, cozy place. When I looked at price comparison to when I would be able to receive the building, everything lined up perfect with Metal Building Outlet. Once identified, I worked through Brandon Fullis to rectify all the things that needed to be replaced, and all that happened in a very timely fashion. The metal building itself was fairly simple with very few people to put it together. For example, we put this whole building together with 3 people over a 3-day period. And then we also established kind of a drive-through area, and we had our rolling doors that were opposing just because of the nature of bringing grape bins in and to ease the flow of the process. Metal Building Outlet has definitely set me up for success in the structure that we were able to put together.
Seeing this completed building project, it's really gratifying. I can now say I helped with a winery and I made some friends along the way.
I would recommend Metal Building Outlet to many. I have already recommended it to a couple friends. My next door neighbor picked up a metal building from Metal Building Outlet just recently.